You all know those giant shipping containers, the ones they're making tiny homes out of. Yeah, the giant steel boxes. They're built to standardized sizes. They make loading and offloading ocean freighters easier and cheaper. Well, the company Mobile Mini brings the same concept to land-based storage. So, let's take a look. Mobile Mini builds and then sells or leases steel storage containers. The containers come in sizes from 5 to 45 feet and are convertible to other configurations, including sheds, guard rooms, site offices, and for storage of water or other industrial liquids. Mobile Mini is a small cap company with a market cap of about $1.6 billion. Mobile Mini credits its strong growth since 2000 to aggressive marketing, a wide variety of container products, and a diverse customer base. The company's stock has been volatile, but has still shown an 18% gain in 2019. Mini has a 2.92 dividend yield, and at a 50% payout ratio, the dividend appears to be sustainable. Moreover, the company has been increasing the payment each year for the last 3 years. According to Oppenheimer analyst Scott Schneeberger, Mini has a straightforward story of financial metric improvement. Mini is well positioned for long-term profitable growth and free cash flow sufficient to fund organic and acquisitive growth, debt reduction, and increasing return of capital. Schneeberger has established a $42 per share price target, implying an upside of about 11%. Though not all that spectacular, it is a straightforward profitable company. However, the consensus rating is a strong buy with an average price target of $51 per share or an upside of about 37%. That sounds better. So let's take a look at the charts. We're going to take a look at two charts on Mobile Mini, beginning here with the 20-year monthly chart. The symbol is MINI. For disclosure purposes, I do not hold any shares of Mobile Mini at this time. And looking here at the price chart, it's pretty evident that we have a bottom channel moving up fairly decently there, but we also have a top channel moving up like that. Now, in my humble opinion, I think this is going to continue. So this will be a stock that you could maybe predict somewhat easily or more easily. Moving on down here into the MAC, what I like here is that we already have the basing and the fast line has come through to that slow line there. It's under zero. So, and given the difference or distance between the fast line and the slow line, I might expect a little bit of hesitation before the stock continues to move on up. Hesitation maybe somewhat like that there. But it has a nice cycle that you can follow relatively easily. MACD histogram looks good. Here in the price rate of change, definite basing, bottoming, with the fast line just popping over that slow line there, a little bit under the zero line, but fast approaching. Relative strength index, moderate, 55.67, but a nice basing pattern there as well. Down into the stochastics, that looks good. Volume is fine, actually a pickup. And then the Williams is telling you is racing on up, just barely popping into that overbought territory, but I think it's going to head up there and stay there for a while, as it did in a few times here in the past. Back up to the price chart, I just want to show you something else that is interesting on the daily chart. So let's go there. And now we're looking at the 1-year daily chart on Mobile Mini, and what pops out here is what we've talked about in several other stocks, but we see it once again. Here it is, it's the cup and handle. So we have the cup moving through here, and then we have the handle moving here. I like these formations because it also shows up well in my formations into the Mac. You can see that the cup is not exactly perfect, but you can see the cup there and then the handle here. So the Mac is moving down to that zero line. It's closing in on that slow line, and so it's resetting. In my humble opinion, the fast line is gonna move through that slow line here soon enough and head on up. You can see that movement here in the histogram in that direction there. Upward movement, good. The price rate of change also looks good. So do most of the other oscillators here. Into the Williams looks fine. Back on up here one more time to the Mac. In addition to that cup and handle, you can also see that the bottoms of each of these cycles is heading on up. That's another good formation to see, another sign indicating potential improvement in the stock price. But as usual, please conduct your fundamental analysis. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.